Hi everyone, thanks for joining our workshop. My name is Shun Ishizaka. I'm a Panasonic researcher. Today, I introduce our new dataset, Home Action Genome. First, let's rethink how we recognize the world. In some computer vision research, they propose the notion that the representation of the world should be composed of its representation of its parts. For example, representation objects as a collection of the former segments has led to different parts model and recursive neural networks. Representation planning can be described as a set of hierarchical goals. And a scene graph is a representation of objects, attributes associated with every single object, and relationships between pairs of objects. As I mentioned, this compositional representation has been growing in the vision community for decades. On the other hand, we do not understand the world with just our eyes. We use our other senses as well. In fact, we are able to enjoy beautiful sound of the violin or bittersweet aroma of coffee. And there is a knowledge that, compared with only the auditory system, using visual information makes it possible to discriminate sounds better in noise. We could say that our cognitive system stands on multiple senses. In vision research, multimodal recognition makes some benefit. Using multimodal information is enabled to improve recognition accuracy and break the limitation of the vision tasks. The compositional and multimodal information have new possibility in recognition tasks. For compositional and multimodal perception, we introduce new dataset, Home Action Genome. Home Action Genome encompasses the indoor actions. Our dataset has 70 activity classes and 453 atomic action classes. In addition as a feature, actions are recorded with multi-view, including the eccentric view. And Home Action Genome has multimodal data. Actions are recorded with various sensors: camera, microphone, thermal sensor, RGB light sensor, presence sensor, 9-axis IMU, light sensor, and environment sensor. In Home Action Genome, annotation label is Spatio-temporal scene graph that is composed of activity class, region of human and object, and relationships. Focusing on changing scene graph helps to recognize actions. We are planning to release Home Action Genome for compositional and multimodal perception on August 28. We will hold Home Action Genome competition. In this competition, we will call for methods for temporal action localization on our new dataset. Details of competition will be announced when the dataset is released. Home Action Genome also promises various research directions. For example, we can use non-video modalities for privacy-sensitive recognition, or we can use compositional and multimodal information for frame compression or prediction. Home Action Genome is a multimodal and multi-view dataset of indoor daily activities. Thank you so much, and I hope you to enjoy our workshop.